Hey guys! So today I'm going to be talking about the basics of my skincare routine. I got a request and a comment about a week or so ago, and I thought that was a great idea. I've been thinking about doing it for a while, but I wasn't sure if anyone was interested. So if you're interested to see how I take care of my skin, please keep watching. So I'm just going to go in order of how I use things, and yeah, here we go. Alright, so in order for my nightly routine, I always start off with an oil cleanser. What I've been using lately is the Innisfree Apple Seed Cleansing Oil. Honestly, I really like it. It's pretty basic. It just feels like you're rubbing olive oil on your face. It is the apple seed line, which means it smells like candy apple. Honestly, I think it smells just like a Jolly Rancher. So if you don't like that, steer clear. It does have a pretty strong scent, but it really gets the job done. It's great for dry skin. It leaves your skin feeling really moisturized. It does leave a film on your face, but they have the next product for that because most cleansing oils and balms leave a film on your face. That's not unusual. I have been pretty addicted to this NEOGEN Real Fresh Foam Green Tea Cleanser. Ooh, long name. I've been using this since I got to Korea. Yeah. So what, like 6 months? I haven't really tried a whole lot else because I love this so much. I actually got my boyfriend pretty addicted to it. We have one in the shower and one on the counter now, and we share this. And this is still only the second bottle we've had. So it really lasts a long time. It's getting kind of down to the end here. It's a really cute little bottle. It has green tea leaves in it. It doesn't really smell like anything. It foams up really nice. It gives you the perfect amount of foam when you squeeze it, and it really gets all the oil off your face that you just kind of put on to get off your makeup, and it leaves my face feeling pretty balanced, which is really important for dry skin. So lately I've been trying a few different toners because I'm dangerously low on this one. But I'm just going to talk about this one because I don't really like any of the other toners I've been trying. I've been buying little like travel size at different brands to try them out, and I think I'm just going to go back and buy this because it's really, really amazing. This is another Innisfree product. I love Innisfree. It's the Jeju Orchid Skin. And if you're not familiar, skin is essentially a moisturizing toner. It's just what they call it in Korea, like a second skin. I was really surprised when I ended up liking this. I've heard amazing things about the Jeju Orchid line from Innisfree, especially their moisturizer and eye cream. But when I went into the store and checked it out, I really, really hated the scent. With the exception of this. This skin toner, has a really light scent, and it still smells florally, but I feel like it smells more similar to an actual orchid, which is a really nice scent. So I ended up just buying it right there and then. It's perfect for the 7 skin method if you do that. I do kind of like half of that. It's really, really great for dry skin. It's just a nice basic moisturizing toner. That's why I like it so much. I don't really want anything fancy with my toners. So the next thing I would put on is my eye cream, right? And it's just the Etude House Pink Vital Water line, and it's their eye serum. Its big thing is that it has pink peach water in it, which I was a little skeptical because I haven't heard anything about pink peach water, but it sounded nice to try, and the packaging's super cute. It has a little pump like this, which I really, really liked because the one I was using before was scoop out, and you know, it's not super sanitary, but this is really cute, really nice, very travel friendly. I was worried that an eye serum wouldn't be moisturizing enough for drier eyes, but it feels really nice. It always feels cooling, and I don't know if I would use this in the dead of winter because it's not super thick. I like a thick cream all over my eyes, but this is really nice for spring and summer weather. So the next thing I would usually do is put on my vitamin C serum. I'm not going to talk about this too much because I actually did a full review on this, so I'll link that down below and you can check it out. All I'll say is that I absolutely love this product. It's a holy grail. I can't imagine using any other vitamin C. I would use one of these 2 products for spot treatment. You can use this in the daytime, but this makes your skin sensitive to the sun, so do not use this in the daytime. But these are my two go-tos for spot treatment if I have a zit or anything. This is Grease Lightening from LUSH. I'm actually surprised I haven't done a review on this. It's honestly pretty incredible. It's really a really basic product. It's just tea tree oil, witch hazel, and then a few other random things. It's really nice. It just smells like tea tree oil. It has a really nice natural scent. And I either put it just on a small zit I'm having, anything that's red that I want to go down a bit. And if I'm breaking out a lot, I'll just put it over my entire face. It's really amazing. I see results overnight. Let me know if you want me to do a really full in-depth review of this, because I'm really surprised I haven't already, because I've been using this for like 2 years now. And if you have more than just a tiny little red zit, if you have something big under the skin, I recommend this. It's the Roche Posay Effaclar Duo. Again, I have done a full video on this, so I'm not going to go into it. So I'll link that down below if you want to learn more about it. But this is also a holy grail product. I use this on lots of cystic acne under the skin zits, and it works incredibly. So last, I guess second to last, is moisturizer. I have also, like the toner, I've been trying out a lot of different things lately. Currently what I'm trying out, I bought this weekend, so a few days ago, is the Innisfree. It's the minimum line. I don't know if it's new or not, because I haven't noticed it before, but it might not be new. It's called the minimum for sensitive skin, and this is their moist cream. So far, I can't fully recommend this because I've only tried it for a couple of days and I'm still kind of learning how much to use and how to use it. The Klairs moisturizer I did a review on, that is my #1. Honestly, if this doesn't work out, I'm just gonna go buy that. Also, the Innisfree green tea moisturizer. I've done videos on both of those. I'll link those down below if you want to hear more about them. Those are two really, really amazing moisturizers. All right, and the actual last product is SPF. This is the Innisfree Perfect UV Protection Cream, long lasting for dry skin, and it has 50 SPF, which I love. Again, I have done a video on this because I love it so much, so I'll link that down below too. Alright, so that's everything in my basic skincare routine. I know it's kind of a lot, but this is what I've been using every day for the past couple weeks. If you're interested in seeing more of my not everyday skincare, basically all the masks I use, and maybe some extra spot treatment that I use for really, really bad ones, let me know. I will not do that if no one's interested, so let me know if you are interested. I'll talk about the clay masks and scrubs and moisturizing masks that I love. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions about the products I talked about today. If there's something I didn't answer, please let me know. You can comment down below. You can also follow me on Instagram and comment there. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next week.